Today we're curing salmon eggs. Mark is filming today. These eggs here from last year's salmon harvest, and pulled the eggs. We actually froze them in these bags and they've been thawing out the past couple of days. We have some rubber gloves, we got some paper towel, and we have some newspaper. The What's Up Yukon actually. And we have a baking sheet. We're gonna put down some newspaper. We're gonna put a bunch of paper towel down. We're gonna actually put some of this cure into these plastic bags. It's gonna kind of absorb into the eggs, and then we're gonna lay the eggs out, let them sit overnight, and they're gonna cure up and be ready to be bagged tomorrow. For now, we gotta get the sheets prepared. We'll check back tomorrow to see the rest of the cure process, and then we'll cut them into small chunks. The next morning, the eggs have cured all night. I'm here with Mark the Shark.
Hello.
And we're going to cut the eggs up into small chunks. We're gonna bag them. We're gonna go 2 skeins per little bag and then put a bunch in the big Ziploc bags ready to go into the freezer. So let's get started. Let's start with this one. Yeah, it's cold. Sitting by the window. Maybe I'm gonna need some newspaper too. Great. You're doing great. Well,
Do I have to do all of these?
do one more and then I can do the rest quick if you want.
Okay. Why don't you jet hold it and then I can get rid of one.
Perfect. That's good. All right, you done?
Yeah.
Mark got a little worn out of it, so I'll finish up. Go ahead, grab one of the little bags. By the way, these are silver salmon, otherwise known as coho. We got these eggs last fall and they went in the freezer, but now we're getting ready to get some salmon this fall. And so we're curing all these eggs, which is kind of weird that coho salmon feed on their eggs, kind of a little bit of cannibalism. But that's what I like, and this red color that the cure gives under the water, not only will the scent kind of dissipate through the water, this bright red color also isn't attractive, and so works pretty good. And so I've done one tray, so one tray gets 3 bags. I'll probably put 3 bags into one big bag back in the freezer, and then we thaw as we need them. Now I'm going to move on to these 2 trays, and we'll come back when we're done all this. Stay tuned. This is our last piles. These were really, really big skeins of eggs. It may actually be 4 bags now that I'm looking at it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bags of bait. 4 or 6 bags already in the freezer that we did earlier. So that was a good job, well done. Now it's time for the cleanup. I have to scrub these baking pans